Good morning, Voyagers. We're going to have our morning announcements at this time. Today is Friday, February 22nd of 2019. Today's weather, high of 37 degrees, low of 22 degrees. That means we are going to go outside for recess. Please make sure you're all leaving the snow on the ground. People don't want to get hit by snowballs. It hurts, especially this stuff. It's all icy. Don't do it. Be kind to each other. It's important. All right, so PBIS expectations, we need to make sure that you are being safe, respectful, and responsible out there. Some things are in there, some things that I just want to reiterate. I'm not going to go over all of them today. Just making sure that we're walking at all times and keeping our hands and feet to ourselves. Eat your own food. Don't be begging people. People bring some hot taquitos or whatever they're called. Don't eat them unless they're yours. Then you can eat all of them. Okay? I know you guys want to share that kind of stuff, but the problem is people start begging all kinds of stuff. Don't do it. Just eat your own food. Make sure you're cleaning up after yourself. Raise your hand to leave the table. That's important. We got to keep order and stuff in there. So do a good job with that. I know you guys can do it. I know you can do it the Voyager way. All right. Our MLK celebration is going to be this coming Tuesday. Rescheduled, I think, for the fourth time. It'll begin at 8:30. Also, there's a rumor going around that on that same day, you're going to get to pie me in the face if you've earned 200 Voyager bucks or Anchor bucks. So that is actually on you, not on me. All right. So also, popcorn day is today. 2-bag max. Okay? 2 bags. Don't want a bunch of popcorn laying around, that kind of stuff. Enjoy it. If your teacher lets you eat it in the classroom, that's up to them. Just don't eat it on the bus and make a mess on the bus. A mess on the bus. Okay? All right, lunch today, we're looking at that orange chicken and some crunchy baby carrots. Monday, we're looking at whole grain cheesy breadsticks, marinara sauce, baked beans, mandarin oranges, which are some of Derek, my son's favorite, and crunchy baby carrots. Too bad they don't have mandarin oranges every day. That'd be fun to say. All right, Lego teams, you guys are going to start meeting next Wednesday and Thursday. So if you guys want to be a part of that team, which is a great opportunity to learn some more about robots, there's some really cool tasks, which you guys saw in the video. Teachers, if you haven't shown your class a video, I know Ms. Steyer came around to everybody's class. Make sure you show that video to them again so that we have everybody signed up for that would like to be a part of it. I know I'm super excited for it. I was a Lego kid growing up, so that should be pretty fun. Students, if you could please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance at this time. All right, here we go. Tie clip's a little crooked. There we go. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Those are all of our morning announcements at this time. I want to make sure you're doing things the Voyager way. I know I say that every single day. We're starting to get a little bit loose with that. Part of that, we'll blame it on all the snow days and the lack of consistency that we've had. But I know you guys are capable of behaving in that way. You know how to act. You know how your parents have taught you to act and behave, as well as the way that your teachers have helped you with that. Make sure you're following their expectations and the procedures within your classroom. Things have gotten a little crazy with all the snow days and everything, but we need to get back to what we do. Today is also the PBIS expectations reteach that is taking place this afternoon. Make sure you're paying attention to those things. You're being held accountable for that. Yes, we're going to try and help you get to the behavior that we know that you can do. But then at the same time, if you cannot do those things, even after we've tried to help you, then we got to involve your family and your parents. We don't want to do that. We know that we can take care of it with you. We trust you that we can do that. Okay? So again, those of you who are doing a good job, you're going to be celebrated in all green celebrations and things like that. So as always, please make sure you're doing the Voyager way, because I know you can do it, and go Voyagers.